tell me one thing, Anurag, 1 minute, Anurag, बताइए. Tell me one thing. As far as I know, okay. Now listen to me very carefully, huh? The charges against Rahul Gandhi, Motilal Vora, Oscar Fernandez, और ये दो लोग हैं, सुमन दुबे और सैम पिट्रोडा. इनमें से पूछता है भारत, इनमें से शहजाद पूनावाला, सैम पित्रोदा और सुमन दुबे, इन दोनों में से कौन स्वतंत्रता सेनानी है? Because they are also accused in this case.
तो एंकरिंग क्यों किया?
1 minute. Shehzad, the investigation is against the principal office bearers of Associated Journals and Young India. As far as I know, and I can read, in the schedule offense out here, among the shareholders out here are Sam Pitroda, 550 shares having face value of 100 rupees each, and Suman Dubey, 550 shares having face value of 100 rupees each. On what basis have they participated in this conspiracy? The Young Indian Section 25 company was incorporated by Satyanarayan Gangaram Pitroda and Suman Dubey with a share capital of 5 lakhs on 23rd November 2020. और बताओ detail, Mr. Corporate Takeover.
Arnab, this is a unique situation where those who have babysat Rahul Gandhi intellectually, they are also shareholders, but that's not the point. The point is that today Anurag wants us to respect those who have defrauded freedom fighters. Arnab, please, sir. Arnab, Anurag is asking us that give respect to those who have defrauded the freedom fighters. He's saying, say G for those chores who have taken the money and the property belonging to freedom fighters. Point number 2, I know the Institute of Akhil Swami. It is called Vadra Institute of Corruption.
Akhil.
Vadra Institute of Corruption. Akhil Swami is in Vadra Institute of Corruption. Awadh Oja Institute of Logic. Awadh Oja Institute of Logic and Vadra Institute of Corruption.
Entire political science. What subject you have studied? Entire
Awadh Oja Institute of Logic and Vadra Institute of Corruption.
ये बताओ पहले.
This is where the corporate restructuring is taught.
अरे यार कंपनीज एक्ट पढ़ लो तुम्हें.
Okay sir, since this is a great.
अर्नब ने भी नहीं पढ़ी, आपने भी नहीं. कंपनीज एक्ट पढ़ लो, कंपनीज एक्ट पढ़ लो. यहाँ आके जुमलेबाजी मत करो.
अच्छा सर, आपने तो पढ़ी है ना कंपनीज एक्ट? आपने पढ़ी है?
जुमलेबाजी मत करो.
आपने कंपनीज एक्ट पढ़ी है ना? तो आप मुझे
बिना पढ़े आ गए हो यहाँ पे.
आपने पढ़ी सर, अखिल जी आपने कंपनीज एक्ट पढ़ी है?
अरे राहुल गांधी
नहीं पढ़ लिया, सब पढ़ लिया.